Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. Here's a detailed analysis and the remedy for this problem. Feel free to pause the video to read through the explanation. Let's adjust the code now and watch the outcome it yields. And there you have it. The code executes flawlessly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. That wraps up our video for today. If this video was of help, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming fix videos. Keep the curiosity alive, keep growing, and happy programming to all.